Welcome to my 7th video lecture of chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Standard 6. In previous video lecture I have taught you how to measure n angles and how you can use protractor to measure n angles. So in this video lecture we will learn about types of angles. So by measuring an angles you can decide types of n angles. So I will show you how many types of angles are there in our geometry. So first one I have shown you here, straight angle. An angle which is 180 degree is called a straight angle. So I will show you more other types. So this one is also called straight angle. Okay, this one is also called straight angle. This one is also called straight angle. So in short, if straight line is there, then it is called as straight angle, because the measurement of straight line angle is 180 degree. You can show like this also. This one is also straight angle. So all these angles are straight angles. Next one is right angle. So when you measure angles and the degree of an angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle. In your house also you can find out so many examples of right angle. Suppose corner of a window, corner of a table, corner of a bed. All these objects are showing example of right angle. It is not like that. If it is, I have shown you here that right angle, so it is only right angle. It could be like this, right angle. It could be like this, right angle. It could be like this, right angle. So all these angles are like right angles. In short, if degree of angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. When you measure an angle and if the measurement of an angle is more than 90 degree, if it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then it is called obtuse angle. But obtuse angle can be like this also. This is an obtuse angle. This is also an obtuse angle. This is an example of an obtuse angle. So when the measurement of any angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then it is called an obtuse angle. So I can show you how it is obtuse. Look at here. This is right angle and this is obtuse angle. So whenever you see any angle, you can without measuring also decide that that angle is obtuse or acute. Here you can see this. This is right angle and this other arm of an angle is going outside of the right angle arm. So it is obtuse angle. I think you can understand my point. Now next one is acute angle. The angle whose measurement is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree, it is called an acute angle. So it is more than it is an acute angle. Suppose this angle is, I will show you like ABC, then B will be the angle. So angle of measurement of B will be between 0 to 90 degree. I can show you more example of acute angle. Suppose this is your right angle. So your obtuse angle must be its arm inside the right angle. These all are obtuse and acute angle. And right angle, it is like this. So these all are example of acute angle. I can show you other one. Suppose this is your right angle. Then which one will be your acute angle? This is right angle. So this one, this one, this one. So this one, this one, this one. These all are acute angle. So by only watching angle, you can decide it is obtuse or it is an acute angle or it is a right angle. If it is asked by anyone that you have to provide degree of angle, at that time you will measure that angle by using protractor. But if you have to decide type of angle, then only by watching you can decide it is an acute angle or it is an obtuse angle or it is a right angle. Next one is reflex angle. So reflex angle, an angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. So here you can see that this one is an acute angle and this one is an reflex angle. And I would like to tell you one more thing. So measurement of acute angle this one is reflex angle. I will show you by another color so you can understand very well. This one is acute. And this one is reflex angle. Now one more thing I would like to tell you. Measurement of reflex angle plus acute angle, whatever it is, must be 360 degree. So if acute angle is given, you can easily find out reflex angle, and if reflex angle, measurement of reflex angle is given, you can easily find out acute angle. Suppose I want to find out measurement of acute angle. So what I have to do? I will do like this. Reflex angle is equal to 360 degree minus acute angle. I will show you one example so you can easily understand. Suppose the acute angle, reflex angle, I don't know the measurement of reflex angle which is given over here. So now how can I find out the measurement of reflex angle? Suppose I know the measurement of acute angle, which one is 30 degree. So reflex angle is equal to 360 degree minus 30 degree of acute angle. So my reflex angle will be 330 degree. Like this you can find out. Maybe you will learn all these things in next standard or in next chapter, but you need to know. So I have shown over here. In advance I have shown you. Next one is I have given you some angles you have to decide types of angles by observing only angles. And I am sure if you have watched this video properly, you can easily recognize the angles which are given over here. So I am not going to discuss types of angles of these given angles. Next one is, here I have drawn one figure. So now you have to find out acute angles and right angles which are given in this figure. So first I will find out acute angles. See, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These all are acute angle. Okay. So I will give you names so you can write down. So this one is first one. Suppose this first one, second one, third one, fourth one and 5. So 5 acute angles are given over here. Now I will use another color so you can easily understand the right angle. These all are right angle. So 4 right angles are given over here. 4 right angles. And 5 acute angles are given over here. Now you have to decide which angle is this which I am going to show you. You have to tell me which angle is this. Which angle is this you have to tell me. Okay, you have to tell me. You have to tell me about this angle also. And you have to decide which angle is this you have to tell me. This is your homework. Have a good day, nice day. Enjoy your day and be safe at home.